Yep, so that's basically my burgers. Burgers. This is Zinc, and this is cooking. We'll be making burgers. Yeah. I have multiple things. A bunch of buns, carrots, hummus with olives, apparently, and cream cheese. This will be our filling. Wait, I actually forgot they also have another thing. Smoked cheese. Yeah. Good. So let's just start by doing things. I may also need to cook some veggies first. Yeah, and I also have tofu. A bit of tofu. A bit of veggies. So let's just cook the veggies first, maybe. That's probably too much, but anyways, a bit of oil. Whoops. Yeah, this time we'll be taking a horizontal video. Taking cheese. We'll just use half of it. And cook the remainder of these. Tofu. We also have some smoked salami. That's another thing we'll be adding. And we're doing test taste. It is quite strong though. I don't think I'll be adding salami to every burger. Because the taste is a bit strong. Let's say add 2-3 of them. We'll be definitely adding the cheese to everyone. I love cheese. So how many of this things? We also have pork sausage. Wait, pork? Chicken sausage. That's from this company. It's basically from Lidl. I very recommend these sausages. They have very nice taste. They're not too strong of a taste. It's really important. It does not taste like chemicals. This sausage is so thick. Next thing, sausage. Is 2 enough? Let's have 3. It's nothing specific because I'm improvising though. So we cut it in half, and each our also in half. See? Fairly nice sausage. Goes very well with a lot of things. Pasta, sandwiches, you know, pies. Okay. A bit of veggies. We're adding them first so they would stick. Veggies. Let's say sausage. Type 1. Maybe cheese. Do I combine it or not? Maybe? Tofu? And the regular sausage? Yeah? Yeah. And more cheese? Yeah. More cheese. More cheese. And then we top it off with the cream cheese burger. Beautiful. So that's one burger. And we made a bunch of burgers. Yeah, that's a bunch of burgers, which I will be... Yep, so that's basically my burgers. Burgers. Oh, they'll be tasty. I don't know. Should be. I have doubts about the regular sausage because it tastes... Well, the smoked sausage because it tastes quite strong. But maybe it will be fine with the bun. So yeah, that was Zinc. And that was cooking, making burgers. Bye-bye.